Hello, I'm Risa from Anju Risa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this donut turban. If you love anything about turban hat, consider subscribing. I recommend you to only use stretchy fabric to make this donut turban. And remember, when we are working with fabric, the direction of fabric is very important. You can see this is the edge of fabric, and the edge of fabric will be the length, which is 26 inches, and the width is about half the head circumference plus an inch. Now, to determine which one is the right side of the fabric, with the edge of fabric here, stretch the fabric. And stretch the fabric will always curl toward the right side. So, this is the right side. Now, with the wrong side facing us, fold the fabric about half an inch and then fold it like this and pin here. Like this. I will do the same to the other side. Stretch the fabric, and this is the right side. So with the wrong side facing us, fold the fabric about half an inch and fold it like this, and I will pin here. Now I will sew here using a serger, and the other side. Like this. As you can see, this is the wrong side, and this is the right side of our donut turban. Now I will hide the tails using darning needle like this. And you can see this is the wrong side of our donut turban, and this is the right side of our donut turban. So with the right sides together, fold the turban hat in half, and I will sew here using regular stitch. Like this, and this will be the back side of our donut turban. So open the back side here, and I don't have the exact measurement, but I like to use my finger. I like to measure it from here, and then I will pinch the fabric from these two lines and bring it to the line here, like this. And I will measure it from here and bring it here, like this, about until here. I will stitch right in the center here. So I will use my finger to measure it like this from these two lines. Like this, and this is the back side of our donut turban. And when you stitch right in the center here, we can barely see the stitches. Now with the right sides together, fold the fabric in half and sew here using regular stitch. Now I will gather the fabric here. Our turban hat is finished. Now I will show you how to make the donut. Prepare the fabric, and you can see this is the edge of fabric. The size should be 2.5 inches, and the length is about 68 inches. Now, to determine which one is the right side, with the edge of fabric here, stretch the fabric here, and stretch the fabric will always curl toward the right side, so this is the right side. With the wrong sides together, fold the fabric in half and tie a knot, and use your finger to hold it like this. I will use this short tail to wrap around the center. And then I will use this long tail to wrap around the center. Our donut is finished. Now I will show you how to finish this. And then I will attach this donut to the turban like this. Our donut turban is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this donut turban tutorial, please like, comment, share, subscribe and ring the bell. How to make this donut. If you enjoy this donut turban tutorial, please like